Have you ever wondered how you can make money using AI, even while you're sleeping? Welcome to the new frontier, where the power of artificial intelligence is transforming how we think about earning potential. The future is here, and it's packed with opportunities for those willing to explore and adapt. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a technological revolution that's changing the world as we know it. We're not talking about sci-fi movies or dystopian novels here, but real, tangible change that's happening right now. From self-driving cars to voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. But did you know that AI also holds the key to unlocking new ways of earning money? And no, we're not talking about investing in tech stocks or building the next Facebook. We're talking about leveraging AI to generate passive income. That's right, making money even while you sleep. In this video, we'll guide you, step by step, on how to tap into the potential of AI for financial gain. We'll cover everything from the basics of AI to how you can use it to generate a steady stream of income, starting from 2024. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech wizard or a coding guru to get started. All you need is a willingness to learn and the courage to step into the future. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how AI can help you earn passive income. You'll learn about the tools you need, the strategies to implement, and the pitfalls to avoid. You'll discover how you can make up to $5,000 a month using AI, even while you're catching those Z's. So the question is, are you ready to embrace this new frontier? Are you ready to harness the power of AI and turn it into a money-making machine? If the answer is yes, then let's get started. So if you're ready to step into the future and make money while you sleep, stay tuned. To start with, it's crucial to understand what artificial intelligence is and why it's so powerful. In simple terms, artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that aims to imbue software with the ability to analyze its environment using either predefined rules and strategies or pattern recognition, then make decisions based on those analyses. This might sound complex, but it's the same process you or I might use to, say, decide which route to take to work in the morning. AI is everywhere these days, from the voice assistant on your phone to the recommendation algorithms used by online shopping sites. It's transforming industries, automating tasks, and driving innovation at an unprecedented pace. The potential of AI isn't just about making tasks easier, though. It's also about generating income, and not just for big tech companies. Even individuals can leverage AI to make money. Armed with this understanding, you're ready to explore the ways you can make money with AI. You might be wondering, how can AI generate passive income? Well, let's dive into that. Passive income is money you earn that requires little to no daily effort to maintain. Essentially, you can earn while you sleep. Sounds dreamy, right? But where does AI fit into this? Artificial intelligence, or AI, can automate tasks that would otherwise require human effort. This automation is often more efficient and can operate round the clock when these tasks are tied to income-generating activities. Voila, you've got yourself a passive income stream. Let's look at some real-world examples of how AI has been harnessed for passive income. Consider the world of stock trading. Traditionally, it required constant monitoring and quick decision-making. But with AI, automated trading systems have been developed. These systems use complex algorithms to monitor market trends and execute trades automatically, without human intervention. A successful example of this is a company called AlgoTrader. They've developed an AI platform that automates trading, allowing traders to earn profits passively. The system operates 24/7, making money even while the traders are asleep. But it's not just big companies harnessing the power of AI. Individuals are also getting in on the action. Take the case of a freelance graphic designer who developed an AI tool to automate the creation of logo designs. The tool generates unique logos based on user inputs, and the designer sells these logos online. This means he's earning money every time someone uses his tool, without him having to lift a finger. Or consider the numerous AI-driven apps on the market that generate income through advertising or subscription fees. These apps, once developed, continue to earn money for their creators with minimal upkeep. So whether you're a big corporation or just an individual with a great idea, AI can become a powerful tool in your passive income arsenal. As you can see, AI has the potential to be your personal money-making machine. Now, let's delve into the steps you can take to start earning passive income with AI. We're going to break this down into 4 manageable steps. identifying a profitable niche, choosing the right AI tools, setting up the system, and monitoring performance. Step 1. Identify a profitable niche. This is crucial to your success. You need to find an area where AI can provide a solution that people are willing to pay for. This might be anything from automated content creation to predictive analytics. Remember, the key is to find a niche where AI can do the job more efficiently or effectively than humans. Step 2. Choose the right AI tools. Once you've identified your niche, you need to find the AI tools that will help you capitalize on it. For instance, if your niche is content creation, you might choose an AI tool that can generate articles, blog posts, or social media updates. If your niche is predictive analytics, you might choose a tool that can analyze large amounts of data and make accurate predictions. Step 3. Set up the system. After you've chosen your AI tool, it's time to set up the system. This involves integrating the AI tool into your business model. For example, if you're using an AI tool for content creation, you might set up a system where the tool automatically generates and posts content on your blog or social media platforms. If you're using an AI tool for predictive analytics, you might set up a system where the tool analyzes data and delivers reports to your clients. Step 4. Monitor performance. Once your system is up and running, you need to monitor its performance. This involves checking to see if the AI tool is doing its job effectively and making adjustments as necessary. You'll also want to keep an eye on your income. If you're not making as much money as you'd like, you might need to tweak your system or try a different AI tool. Remember, the goal here is to create a system that generates passive income. That means once you've set up the system, it should require minimal effort on your part. The AI tool does the work, and you reap the benefits. Now, I know this might sound complicated, but it's actually quite simple. And the best part, you can start this journey in the coming year of 2024 and potentially make up to $5,000 a month. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making money with AI. Identify a profitable niche, choose the right AI tools, set up the system, and monitor performance. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to making money while you sleep. Before we wrap up, let's summarize what we've covered today. We've embarked on a fascinating journey through the realm of artificial intelligence, a new frontier that's revolutionizing the world as we know it. We've learned that AI isn't just sci-fi fodder or a tech buzzword, but a cutting-edge technology with real-world applications, capable of generating passive income. We kicked off with an understanding of what AI is, a technology that enables machines to mimic human intelligence, learning from experiences and adapting to new inputs. It's not just about robots and self-driving cars, but it's also about systems that can understand, learn, predict, adapt, and potentially operate autonomously. From there, we delved into how AI and passive income are a perfect match. AI can work tirelessly, around the clock, even while you're catching some Z's. It's like having a diligent employee who never needs a break, continually generating income for you. And the best part, it doesn't demand a salary or benefits. It's a win-win, and who doesn't love that? Next, we walked you through a step-by-step guide to making money with AI. We started with identifying a niche, then moved to creating an AI model, training and testing it, and finally deploying it in a real-world application. It may sound complex, but with the right resources and a bit of elbow grease, anyone can dip their toes into the AI pool. So what are you waiting for? It's time to take action. Start exploring the potential of AI. Dive into this exciting field and see how you can start making up to $5,000 a month from 2024 onwards. Remember, the future is here and it's powered by AI. Don't miss your chance to be a part of it and make money even while you sleep.